A lot of people secretly hope AI will make them smarter, not just faster, not just more productive, smarter. They open AI expecting better ideas, better decisions, better thinking overall. They expect clarity to appear instantly. And when that doesn't happen, they feel disappointed. They think AI is overrated. They think the hype was fake. They think they're missing something. But that expectation is the real problem. AI was never designed to make you smarter. It was designed to reduce effort. Those are two very different things, and confusing them leads to frustration. Think about how we already use tools. When you use a calculator, you don't become better at math. You don't suddenly understand numbers deeper. You simply get results faster. AI works the same way. It doesn't upgrade your intelligence. It removes friction around it. The mistake most people make is outsourcing judgment. They open AI and ask, "What should I do? What's the best option? What's the right answer here?" And then they follow it blindly. That's not leverage. That's dependency. Good thinking doesn't come from answers. It comes from constraints. From knowing what matters, what doesn't, and what you're willing to ignore. AI can't decide that for you. It never could. This is why AI sometimes feels shallow. You expect it to lead, but it's waiting for direction. And if you don't provide it, it fills the gap with something generic. That's not a bug. That's how tools work. Here's where AI actually shines. It helps you explore ideas faster. Compare options side by side. Organize messy thoughts. Reduce mental clutter. It speeds up thinking that already exists. But it cannot replace thinking that was never there. Quick pause. If you want practical AI systems, not theory, not hype, I share real templates and workflows in my Telegram channel. Things I actually use myself. The link is in the description. All right, back to the point. When people say AI made me lazier, what they really mean is, I stopped thinking for myself. AI didn't cause that. The expectation did. Smart people don't use AI for answers. They use it to stress test their thinking. They already have a rough idea. They already have a direction. AI just helps refine it, question it, and improve it. Here's a simple rule that changes everything. Never ask AI to decide for you. Ask it to challenge your assumptions, show alternatives, point out blind spots, highlight trade-offs. That's where it adds real value. If you skip that step, AI feels predictable, unimpressive, because you're using it like a shortcut, not like a tool. The people who get the most out of AI aren't smarter than everyone else. They're clearer. They know what problem they're solving, what doesn't matter, when to stop. AI simply accelerates that clarity. So if AI feels disappointing to you, don't upgrade tools. Upgrade expectations. AI won't make you smarter, but it will make good thinking cheaper, faster, and easier to repeat. And that's more powerful than it sounds. If you want to use AI without losing your edge, check the link in the description. I share practical systems there that help you stay sharp while working faster. AI is not your brain. It's your assistant. And assistants work best when you already know what you're trying to do.